Hello friends, now we are going to see the fourth unit of hydraulics and pneumatics. So the fourth unit is common for the common heading for mechanical and mechatronics engineering. So unit name is pneumatic and electro-pneumatic circuits systems. So in this unit, the very important topic is cascade method. Design of pneumatic circuit by using a cascade method. Each and every university questions it will be asking for this particular question. This particular area is very important. Cascade method. Okay, you must for we already in the discussed so many circuits in the classroom itself. We are designing so many circuits in the classroom. You all know about that. So please refer your classroom notes. Okay, for this particular area. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask me anytime. Okay, you just call me or message me, whatever it is. And you must, if you are in this topic is in the fourth unit, you must focus on the cascade method. You don't worry about this fourth unit. That is a simple thing I just want to tell. So here the one segment is cascade method, the another segment is the second important topic is compressor and filter regulator, lubricator, FRL unit and muffler. So these types of important area we must want to giving a working principle on their construction. So it will be very simple topic. Okay. So third important topic is ladder diagrams. So ladder diagram and their construction and programming. So it will be a very important that one. Okay. So the logic circuits we already discussed in the classroom. Okay. So these are the very important three topics in the fourth unit. So next we are going to see the fifth unit. Okay. Next we are moving in the fifth unit. The fifth unit is I already told you about the fifth unit. If you are giving a concentration in the third unit, you don't worry about the fifth unit because this unit is simply troubleshooting and application. That is a fifth unit heading: troubleshooting and applications. Here there are the two segments: hydraulic circuit and design of pneumatic circuit. You must focus on third and fourth unit. Then you don't worry about the fifth unit because of the applications point of view. It will be given. You already discussed in the normal designs in the hydraulic circuit and the pneumatic circuit. Here they are given a application point of view. Okay, here there are I am given a two segments: split up one and split up two. The split up one is design of hydraulic circuit, drilling machine, planning, shaping, surface drilling machine, pressing machine on floor, forklift operation. We are giving a design of these types of hydraulic circuit by using hydraulic circuit. And second segment is design of pneumatic circuit. Okay, design of pneumatic circuit, there are the two important classification. One is pick and place application, the robotic application, and a tool handling in CNC machine. So these two area we are using pneumatic circuit. And the application point of view in hydraulic circuit, the design of planning, shaping, surface grinding, brushing, these types of application in the machines. Okay, so after that, the installation and selection of hydraulics pneumatic system. So it is the second topic. Okay, second important topic of the fifth unit. Installation. What is the installation procedure? Selection of hydraulic and pneumatic systems. So third important topic is low cost automation. Okay, so these are the three important area in the fifth unit. So we must focus on these area. Definitely we don't worry about this fifth unit. Okay, so last and final thing is we are giving a part C. The part C questions, definitely it will be coming under these three units because we already yeah, I already discussed about you the third and fourth and fifth unit. Okay, these three units very important. If I giving a three importance of these three units, you don't worry about this subject. You definitely giving getting a S grade and okay, you are getting a 90 and 90 and above 90 percentage definitely. So why I'm telling this, these three units very easy, but you are giving a such importance. Okay, like part C in unit 4, cascade method, definitely it will be asking for the application point of view question. And unit 5 is application based circuit in both hydraulics and pneumatic circuits. And unit 3, yes, we already know that accumulator and intersphere based industrial circuits. So these are some of the questions which may be asked in the university point of view. Okay, So, and I also attached the university questions in Google Classroom. Okay, and I am giving soft copy for that to your individual WhatsApp group also. So it is very very, I'm in my point of view, from my heart I'm telling, it is very very easy to get good marks in this subject. Not only in this subject, each and every subject. Only thing, you must giving a some effort. Okay, so extra effort, definitely you are getting a good marks. Yes, thank you.